now, amid rising concern over new variant Omicron scare in India, several states have stepped up precautionary measures. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray will be holding a COVID review meeting today. The state government will urge centre to ban all flights from Africa. This comes on a day after fresh guidelines were issued. Fully vaccination has been mandated to public transport. Travel history and isolation has been made mandatory for travellers from South Africa. Double dose and negative RT-PCR test report has also been made mandatory for domestic travellers. Similarly, Karnataka government has also intensified screening of international passengers at airports. RT-PCR tests have been made mandatory for visitors from Maharashtra and Kerala.
Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray will be holding a review meeting today with the divisional commissioners and collectors. Now, considering the new strain of virus becoming a cause of concern, the meeting will take stock of preparedness, across all districts, readiness as far as hospitals and COVID centers are concerned, and also the ongoing vaccination and how a vaccination itself can be accelerated across the state. It will also look into whether there needs to be any change in the restrictions. Of course, there have been new guidelines that have been brought about just yesterday, and if there is a need to reimpose any restrictions is something that will be discussed in this particular meeting. Of course, government, as I said, has already come up with guidelines where travelers from South Africa, where cases of the new variant have been found, these travelers will be quarantined and their samples will be sent for genome sequencing. Besides that, double vaccination has been made mandatory to travel across public transport, as well as travels in malls, shops, and various public spaces. Also, some of the penalties have also been imposed by the state government if COVID appropriate behavior is not found. So therefore, penalty anywhere between 500 and 50,000 will be imposed. So yes, all these guidelines have been brought about. But as far as this meeting is concerned, it will mainly take stock of all the preparedness, that hospitals, COVID centers, and the several municipal commissioners have taken over the last few days, considering this new strain is a cause of concern. So therefore, yes, a look into how the hospitals are ready, how the COVID centers are ready, what the status is as far as vaccination across every district is concerned, will be a part of this particular meeting.
Well, that's a reminder there to not drop your mask as the new variant threat looms large across the globe. For now, moving on. The special